today, I will tell you something that you probably did not know yet. I think it's no secret that water is good for the body and you need to drink a lot of it. The daily norm of water for an ordinary person who does not have a ban from the attending physician is a little more than half a gallon, or 2.5 liters. This volume of water is enough for the human body not to experience its shortage during the day and not retain water in the body, since the human body always feels when there is not enough water in the body. Remember an important rule: the water I'm talking about is not all liquid that you use during the day. Coffee, black tea, juices, fruit drinks, sweet carbonated drinks, soups, milk, alcohol, and so on are not water. All this can be called in one word: food. The only thing that can still be attributed to water is green tea, but it will not completely replace water. So it is not advisable to drink green tea more than 6 cups a day, and at the same time the daily volume of green tea should be less than half of all the water you drink per day. If you want to change your well-being, start small, add water to your daily diet in the norm that I have already said, and in a month your body will thank you, and you will come to me again and say thank you to me already. Love yourself and be happy.